Many times a designer would get a drawing from somebody else, and that person might be using different software. So when they bring it into Civil Designer and they try and drape it or position or coordinate it on top of the survey, you find that they're in two different hemispheres. So I want to show you how you go about creating or georeferencing a CAD drawing. I'm going to go to File, Open, select the appropriate drawing, and then just pointing out, if I do go and press H on the keyboard, my cursor is taken to the center of my screen, and if you look at on the bottom on the right of that, you've got the coordinates. Currently they're 0, 0. If I go and zoom in to a coordinate grid, we want to go and give our drawing these appropriate coordinates, georeference coordinates. It is done by going to your CAD mode, going to Settings, Drawing Settings, specifying a coordinate system of Surveyor, and then click on the Surveyor Setup. By default, it's 0, 0 will come up. We want to go and put in the required coordinates here. So I'm putting in the Y coordinate first. Press spacebar and then enter the X coordinate. If I click on OK now, that coordinate will be placed in the center of my page. I don't want that. Instead, I want to go and specify this intersection of the grid lines to have those coordinates. So I do then go and activate Set to Known Point. I put in my Y coordinate first because as you go and specify northern eastern or eastern northern, the coordinate order would swap. We're looking at the southern hemisphere. If you do go and change that to the northern hemisphere, the coordinate order would change. Click on OK. Click on OK to close the dialog. Place your cursor close to where the grid points intersect and press 0 on your keyboard. Once you're at that point, you can press enter. Before I press enter, look at the bottom right of my screen. We still got the old coordinates. Pressing enter would then go and update those coordinates.